What's good, everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a July favorites, so I hope you guys definitely enjoy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and don't forget, if you do enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave your comments down below. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with the video. But I'm gonna wait for y'all to hit that subscribe button for me. Alright, let's get started with the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys some of the stuff that I did get in the month of July that I definitely enjoyed, and stuff that I've already had but I definitely enjoyed a lot more in the month of July. So two of the products that I'm going to be talking about today are like body washes and like bath stuff. It is the Ren Pure Coconut Milk and Vitamin E Body Wash. I'm literally almost done, but don't get it twisted. I do have other body wash until I get another one. And I got this at Walmart and it is amazing. I'm really like a body wash nerd. I try any body wash you can freaking imagine. I just love feeling like I took a shower. I don't like taking a shower with soap. I just feel like it does nothing with me. It just makes me feel dirty. It makes me feel like I have patches on me. Like, I don't like it at all. So this body wash is life, and it smells like coconut, which is the best part about it because it smells so freaking good. The next thing is this Albaca Botanica Body in the Buff Revitalizing Scrub. And it's this really good grapefruit and walnut shell scrub. I usually use it when I want to just scrub my feet and stuff like that. And it's been working really good. I really enjoy it, so I definitely wanted to share this with you guys. This I actually got at Marshall's. And then the coconut milk body wash I actually ended up getting at Walmart. So if you guys are definitely in those stores, definitely check it out. So I'm going to definitely start off with the eyeshadow palettes that I got in the month of July that I definitely enjoyed to the max, that I've pretty much used. The first one is the Zulu by Juvia's Place. And hunty, look at this. Look at this. This palette, let me just start by saying, is the most gorgeous thing to ever exist. And I also used it on my eyes today, so I definitely hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so I'm actually going to go ahead and show you guys some swatches. So I used the yellow. That is the yellow. I used, oh, I'm just going to swatch the shimmery colors for you guys. So that is what that looks like. I like this color. I actually used it already. But this is the swatches for those shades. And then I used a couple different colors for this palette today. I'm going to show you guys the colors that I used. I used this yellow one, which I showed you guys the swatch for already. I used the purple and then the hot pink on my lid, which I think looks so beautiful. This is one of my favorite looks that I've done. So yeah, I got the Zulu by Juvia's Place, which I've definitely enjoyed. So easy to blend. Honestly, it just looks perfect. Alright guys, so the next palette is actually an eyeshadow palette that I got in my Boxycharm box, and it is the Crown Pro eyeshadow palette. It has become one of my favorites. Has all your warm tones, all your perfect colors that you need to create such a bomb look. Just gonna take this right here. The consistency on this thing is amazing. Let me just put it right there. You know what? I'm going to take that matte brown shade. And that's what the colors actually look like. And I am freaking obsessed with this palette. Like, when I just want to take like a really warm look, like for example, like for work, I'm not trying to do nothing too fancy. I'm trying to get out the door, and that's it. And this is the perfect thing for that, because you literally add your matte, then you go ahead and add your little shimmer shade, and it honestly tops off the whole look. So this is one of my definite favorites for the month of July. Next, something that I've been using a lot this month is my Argan Wear Argan Oil by Physicians Formula, and I'm gonna tell y'all why. So for whatever reason, my skin has been so fucking dry. I know I'm not supposed to be cursing, but your dog's really going through it. She's going through it, because this skin has been so dry. And I literally just drop like 110 drops of this on my face. It feels so refreshed. I feel like it just hydrates my face, and I've been doing it consistently. It has been working, but I feel like I need to do something else. Don't want to do any masks or anything that might just damage my face anymore. It feels really, really dry. Like, my skin has never been this dry, and it's horrible. So if you guys have any suggestions for when your skin's feeling really, really dry, like my skin's not dry, so I'm like, what do I do? So I'm gonna start looking for like ways that I can what's the word that I'm looking for? I'm definitely gonna look for ways that I can definitely help nourish my skin and just get it back to where it was. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and talk about lip products. So the lip products for this month that were my definite favorites is this one by NYX. It's in the shade Tea the Rose now. It's number 628. Ain't nobody got time to be struggling over here. So that's what that looks like. It's a very warm pink blush tone, and it is so beautiful on the lips. I freaking love it. I'm actually wearing it today. It is the Shayla, Makeup by Shayla and ColourPop collab, and it is the gloss that's in the shade Neat Freak. And that's the gloss. It has a little bit of like a nude peachy undertone, but it has a little bit of glitter on it. When you top it off with a nice cute lipstick, it looks perfect. So that's what I actually did today. Probably isn't showing that much now. I had to retouch, but it definitely looks really good with whatever kind of lipstick you honestly want to put on for whatever occasion. The next one actually came in June's Boxycharm box, and it's the Ofra Verona lipstick, and it is gorgeous, hunty gorgeous. And my motto is, you can never have enough nudes. And I know my swatching right now is ridiculous, but we're gonna run with it. From Ofra. The next one is from Dose of Colors. It is in the shade Truffles, and this is my absolute favorite lipstick of all time. So this one right here is actually the one by Dose of Colors. It is honestly the best mixture between like a nude, and it has like a hint of pink in there, but not too much, which is honestly perfect, because this is, to me, this is the perfect nude. Along with the I Love Sarai, it is one of the best lipsticks that I own. Alright, so next I have two eye products. The first one that I'm going to be talking about is one of my ultimate favorite liners of all freaking time. It is the Tattoo Liner by Kat Von D. I actually learned how to do my wing with this brush. It is perfect. When it first came out, I was pretty much head over heels for it. And honestly, it is the perfect thing to get your liner really winged out. Helps out when you're trying to get that liner on point, and I definitely recommend this to the fullest. So if you have $20 to spare, go to freaking Sephora and grab that shit. See, nobody got time for you not to be grabbing that. The next one is the NYX Eyebrow Pencil, and on one side it shows the brush, and then on the other side it's the actual like stick itself. The next one is actually something that came in my Boxycharm box, and I've used it twice after like finals and stuff. It was just such a horrible week. And it is the Dr. Brandt Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. And when I tell you that this worked miracles under my eyes, it worked miracles. And honestly, this is a really good, investment. I'm glad I got it through my Boxycharm box, because I probably wouldn't have gotten it like in person, because I wouldn't have known about it, to be quite honest. But I guess that's why they put brands like that on Boxycharm, that way that you know, venture out to other brands other than like the normal, or like the ones that are pretty much out there. The next thing I'm going to talk about is just this little applicator. It is the Ardell applicator, and on this end it has this portion, and on the other it just has the little tongs. Next, the foundation I'm going to be talking about is the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation, and it is this one. My shade's in M70, and this is one of their newest foundation products, and I love it. I really do. I'm actually wearing it today, and I love how it looks on my skin. It just looks like I'm literally wearing a filter. The thing I'm going to talk about is something that I got a couple months ago. It hasn't been that long, but it is the Shayla and ColourPop collab. It is the loose powder in the shade Boomin', and I'm actually wearing it today, and girl, I am as glazed as a glazed donut. And that is what you want to achieve with your highlight. Why wouldn't you want to achieve that? And the very last thing on my list is something that I got from I got it from Marshalls, and it is honestly my favorite thing in the world now. It's the Smashbox Bronze Lights Powder in the shade Warm Matte. And I'm wearing it today as well, but honestly, this powder is amazing. I feel like it just gives you like a natural bronze look without doing too much. I definitely don't like when you get bronzers and you could tell it's definitely not, you know, either your skin tone or just doesn't look good on you. This one I feel like just looks amazing. Amazing. And this is definitely one of my favorites now. That actually concludes this video, you guys. If you definitely liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up in this, and also don't forget to subscribe so you can be part of my little family that I'm trying to create with my subscribers. So I hope you definitely enjoyed, and see you guys in the next video.